Hi Dream Team kids! Are you ready for an animal style workout? What's your favourite animal? Are you ready? Let's go! First up we have the marching ants. Keep your hands nice and strong and your legs super high. Next we have monkey swings. Make sure to go really low and then really high. Keep going! Butterfly wings. Butterfly wings to the side and the other side. Elephant trunk swings. Make sure to stretch your hand and your arm as high as possible. Kangaroo jumps. Try to jump as high as you can. Go, go, go! Time to get onto the floor. It's inchworms. Make sure to really squeeze your tummy as tight as you can. And now meerkats. On the floor and jump. Good job, guys. And the flamingo. Make sure you try to balance with your arms wide open. That's it. Keep going. And finally, our peacock cool down. Stretch your hands up and down. Keep on breathing, everyone. You've done an amazing job.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Dream Team Kids. Bye everyone, see you next time.